Hold on a second. Get there. Hello? Yes. Yeah,
Jump.
Slow it down.
Mommy, look at this. Mommy, look.
Wait.
Good?
You gotta slow it down, honey.
Whatever. Alright, I'll grab it. We have to be very I'll pick you up. Oh my goodness. Okay. Alright, good. Who's here then?
Where, Mom? You're him or her?
Her.
Mommy, look at. Go play with your sister.
See, I missed that because Dad walked in front of me and I had to stop it.
What, you missed Tiger jumping on?
I missed those huge jumps.
Oh, that's just eating the flowers. Did you miss Tiger jumping on Shira?
There she goes again.
Zadie, looky. Zadie, looky. Do you like it?
Yes, that's very imaginative. Hey.
Stop it in front of her for a minute.
Yeah, when I was first playing with Rue there, I need to do a complete backflip.
She's the only one that does it, though.
Actually, all the cats do it. Okay, Jessica, let Crybaby play too. Shira! Let you play too. Look, they're all bobbleheads. Try to get one. Let him get it. Let Crybaby play now. Crybaby can't even jump. Oh, Shira's there. Oh yeah, yesterday when I was playing with like that with Shira.
Let Janie get it. Oh, Janie.
When I was playing with Shira with that pom-pom thingy, I made Shira jump in the air.
Oh, my goodness. Oh, this is a big cat.
There's Shanie's checking it out from behind you, Jess.
Shanie's not very interesting.
Shanie likes to play too. So does Shira.
Shira mostly. Make you jump. Thank you, I can see.
There goes Crybaby.
They're bobbleheads. Upside down, do up and down. Bobblehead. Okay, they're on the bed.
Good jumps, Crybaby.
Oh my gosh, how can go get socks? Oh my gosh.
Oh, I didn't mean to take that.
That was a good one.
But did I get it at the right time?
I think so.
It slipped.
Come on, Soxies. Jump, 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 jump.
Get it, Orca.
Orca? Where's Orca?
Back there.
That sucks.
Oh, you're right. Look through the camera. I thought it was Orca.
That's Soxies. Snickers. Snickers under the cat under the table is our new but old cat. And why is...
Woo, baby. All right.
You got it? Yeah, but I'm not sure if I moved the camera while I was doing it.
You're jealous.
Oh, there we go, tandem jumping. Let's see if we can get 3.
Come on, Sissy, see if you can get all 3. Oh, Socks is the one who jumps the highest. Socks is the springer. We should have named Socks Spring.
Where do you get all these cats?
When Foxy had her
They were all rescues, and then the little ones, the baby's mom was a rescue.
Where's your three-legged cat?
Sleeping.
She's around somewhere.
She's sleeping on my bed. Snickers is watching. Julie Kushner.
Good girl, crybaby. All right, tiger.
How high was that? She didn't jump, she jumped on top of it.
Don't let her try to catch it.
Come on, up. No, I need to shuffle him. I did already. You probably cheated. You're like, look at me, I'm crazy. Is your arm getting tired? Yes, is your arm getting tired? Not really. You know Cher's looking from under the towel. Okay, hold on. You got it.
This one just over his head and just watches.
Snickers. Look at